this video tutorial, I'm taking you through what you see on this screen or what has been displayed here. This is what we call the splash screen. So as you can see, this is the logo of the company, and this is also an animation, something that can rotate. So splash screens are the first screen you see for mobile app development. It actually does not require any user to take an action. Now I'll be taking you through how to develop this splash screen over here, and as usual you have to log in into the Flutterflow. And if you have not watched the first video how to sign in, you can go back and watch the sign in video on the Flutterflow. Now this is the dashboard. The first thing that we have to do is that we have to create, you click here, create new, and we give it a name. So let's make it a splash. Let's name it SplashScreen. Yes, let's make a SplashScreen 2. And we come here, we click on create blank. It's loading up. Alright, so this is create a project. That is what we are doing now. And this process requires that we set up Firebase and other things, but for now we will skip it and then go to the main page. Now this is the first screen that we see in setting up this is the home page, and when you move to the left side, there is what we call the widget tree. So when I click on widget tree, it gives us the items or the elements that are on this particular page. We have the column, we have the app bar, and then we have the text. Alright, so let's delete all of them. Let's delete everything and start from scratch. So when I click on this, I push on the button delete from the keyboard. I click on the app bar, delete. I click on column, delete. Alright, so this is the home page. Let me add additional ones. So this is the home page. Now let's add some few features over here. You see, we have gotten that foam frame around it. So the first thing that we want to do is that we want to create what we call a container. So when you click on this, there's a plus button here. You click on it, and then there's a container. You add a container, and you can see that there is a size here, which is the dimension of this particular app, 390 by 844. So this container is up. We click on it, we move to the right side. That gives us the container property. So you have to click on the container. You come here, it's 100 over 100. Now let's make it 390 by 844. Yes, so you see it has covered the whole screen. Let's reduce this one. That's covered the whole screen. Now when you come down here, fill color, let's select that one and change the color of the, then let's give you this one to this. That is fine. Let's come here and check. Okay, let's change it. Let's make it black color. Okay, I think primary color will be okay. Alright, so that is the primary color. Now the next thing that we have to add is a column. So we click on the container, we go for a column. We have added a column. You can see from here that this is the column. It is here. Let's increase it for you to see. So this is the column. Now we click on the column again, and then we add an image, because that is what we will be using. So this is the image. Now we click on the image, we move to the right side. This is the image property. So this is the image property. It's 300 by 200. Now we move down here, image type. It's network. We go for assets. Good. And then we upload images. Let's upload some images. Alright, let's upload these two images over here. Okay, I think it will allow us to upload only one. Okay, so the image is uploading. You can see from here. That is nice. It has loaded. Yeah, so the image has been uploaded. Let's go to top here. We see there's a pattern and alignment. We want to push this image down. So on the top here, let's add 220 pattern on the top. So it has dropped this image down here. That is nice. And the next thing is that we should add additional image or one image. That is where we'll be adding this particular thing over here. Now let's come back here. You can add additional image by clicking on column to add, or you can decide to right click on this and duplicate the image. It is the same thing. The most important thing is that you have an image displayed. Alright, so we have duplicated this one. So here is it. And the reason why it is dropping because this very one we added 220 on the top. So we click on this and then I take the 220 away, and let's add just 50. All right, now let's change this image. So we come here, let's upload that one. All right, so it's uploading. Let's add this one. Okay, that is fine. Now let's change the dimension of this. Let's make it 100 by 100. 100 by 100 is 300 by, so 100 by 100. That is sweet. So we have gotten, let's reduce the size again. Yes, I think we are on course. When it comes to the project, the main project that we want to design is like this, and we are also getting this. It's better. It's better. All right, so this is how to design the splash screen as you see over here.